Hey guys, I'll show you how to fix this problem quickly. In the first step, we need to go to search bar, type your device manager, and from the search results, click here to open it. Now we need to find out the monitors, so here it is. Click here to expand the monitors. Now right click on the generic monitor or the particular device, select properties, go to drivers tab, and then click on update driver. Now select the first option, search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now close the windows and expand display adapters. Now again right click on the particular adapter, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver. Once you are here, click on search automatically for drivers, and if this not work, you can select this second option also, browse my computer for drivers. Now you can click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select the model, click on next, and it will refresh your window completely and the problem will be solved. If this not work, you can simply right click on it, select uninstall your device, and then simply restart the system. This will fix the issue for sure 100%. And yeah, restart your system. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.